Welcome to beautiful Kampfe Lake in northern New Jersey. Kampfe Lake is a paddling lake. It only has 26 homes on it. It's absolutely your perfect getaway home or full-time residence. You could go for a canoe ride. The water is crystal clear and perfect for swimming, fishing, and boating. This beautiful home has a yard that backs into Norvin Green State Forest, so you could go for a quick hike. It has all the amenities that you possibly could ask for. I'm Jennifer Ellis, Lake Community Specialist, Broker Associate with Coldwell Banker Realty, and call me for more information on this beautiful lakefront retreat.